Morning children. Today I am going to teach a new lesson from new textbook. Have you taken all your new textbooks, ma? So this is our English textbook. Okay? Here all beautiful lessons are there. Everyone should take the textbooks. So while teachers are teaching a lesson, you need the textbooks. Okay, ma? So today I am going to take the first lesson, that is Clever Tenali Ramakrishna. Clever Tenali Ramakrishna. Maybe you heard from your grandma and grandparents, listen the story of the Tenali Ramakrishna. Here we are going to know some points about the Tenali. Tenali was a poet. He was an intelligent man. He was a jester. Jester means a joker or buffoon. Buffoon will see in the circus. So for jester, he was a joker. He was acting as a buffoon. His stories are humorous, all funny one, amazing one. His stories all amazing one, all funny one. Then courteous means one who frequents a king's court. This is about the Tenali Ramakrishna. Here in our lesson, how Tenali going to show his cleverness. Okay, we know very well, Mama, clever Tenali Ramakrishna or heading less. So here how he was showing the cleverness. I'll read the lesson, all of you. If you have the textbooks, you open it. Then otherwise you listen story carefully. Chaitra Varma was the most famous painter in Sri Krishna Devaraya's court. The emperor was pleased with the Chaitra Varma's paintings. People also liked his paintings. Chaitra Varma was a painter. Chaitra Varma was a painter. He was a painter in Krishna Devaraya's court. He was the most famous painter. He was a well-known painter. So when he was painting all the pictures, maybe painting all the different items, all the people and Krishna Devaraya also liked his paintings. One day, Chaitra Varma was busy painting. Then Emperor Sri Krishna Devaraya happened to visit him. When Chaitra Varma was busy in painting, suddenly, without informing him, he went and saw the Chaitra Varma's paintings. Then as soon as Chaitra Varma saw Krishna Devaraya, how he was welcoming, see, Chaitra Varma, welcome, your majesty, welcome, your majesty. Majesty is a title of giving the respect. You are saying good morning ma'am, good morning sir, like that, no? Like that, Chaitra Varma also welcoming your majesty. Sri Krishna Devaraya, oh, what a beautiful picture. It looks so natural one. Chaitra Varma, your paintings are looks natural one. That was not the unnatural one. It was a real one. Like that, Krishna Devaraya appreciating the paintings of the Chaitra Varma. Then the courteous. The courteous means one who is frequents king's court. They will be there only. So that courteous also said, yes, it was a beautiful painting. Krishna Devaraya, no painter on earth can compete with you, Chaitra Varma. You are a unique painter. Unique means peculiar one. Unique means peculiar one. You are a peculiar painter. Why? Because your paintings were natural one. Like the Sri Krishna Devaraya appreciating the paintings of the Chaitra Varma. So whenever we appreciate how you feel, ma, you feel so proud. No, you'll be doing like this. See, my teacher appreciating me like that. Like that here also, Krishna Devaraya appreciating the paintings of the Varma, Chaitra Varma. Then Ramakrishna. See, Ramakrishna was there only. Who was the Ramakrishna? Tenali Ramakrishna. Tenali Ramakrishna was there only when they were appreciating the paintings of the Kshetravarma. Ramakrishna saying, yes, that my lord, such an artist he is. He deserves your encouragement. He deserves your encouragement. Deserves means worthy. Deserves means worthy. Worthy. Yes, Kshetravarma worthy to take a reward from you. Like that, Tenali Ramakrishna saying, Krishnadevaraya, that's great. Let him ask for anything. He shall get whatever he wants. Again, Krishnadevaraya saying, whatever Kshetravarma asks, I will give. He is a worthy one. Like that, Krishnadevaraya also saying, again Kshetravarma, thank you very much. Your Majesty is all your affection and encouragement. He was saying thanks. Again, what he was saying? Really, it was only for your affection and encourage. You are encouraging me. You are showing your love towards me. Like that, Kshetravarma saying to Krishnadevaraya. Again, Krishnadevaraya, your presence in the council of advisors will be a boon to the Vijayanagara Empire. What was the reward he was going to give to Kshetravarma? What he was saying? Your presence needed in my court. Your presence needed in my court. You will be as an advisor of me. Like he given a gift. Boon means gift. Boon means gift. What was the gift of the Kshetravarma? He was the advisor of Krishnadevaraya. That was the gift to Kshetravarma. How happy he was, no? Because he was one of the members of the Krishnadevaraya's court. See here how nicely he got that opportunity. Then Kshetravarma, I am afraid. I am not. Your Majesty, your blessings are here. He was comparing, he was giving the comparison to his blessings. Your blessings are worth the strength of 1,000 elephants. That much enough. That much enough. I am afraid. Why he said I am afraid? Because he does not know the work of the Krishnadevaraya. So court. He never do anything like that. He was a painter. But he does not know what was the work of the court. That's what you said. I am afraid. Krishnadevaraya, no. A great painter like you should be rewarded in a fitting manner. No, don't say like that. You are a good painter. You are a unique painter. You are the worthy to take my reward. Like that, Krishnadevaraya saying in Kshetravarma, Your Highness is merciful. Really, you are showing mercy on me. I am very grateful to you. Like the Kshetravarma saying to Krishnadevaraya. Then Krishnadevaraya thinking for a while. Why he thought like that? But we don't know. He given an award. He given an opportunity to be as a advisor of the Krishnadevaraya. After giving, Krishnadevaraya was thinking. What he was thinking? He thinking for a while. He snapped his finger. He snapped his finger. Snapped means with the finger making like that. Why? Because he was thinking, no? When he was thinking, he was giving the sound with the fingers like that. You also, when you are writing the exam, if you forgotten the question, you will do like this, like this, something you do like that. So, like that, Krishnadevaraya also snapped the finger. Again, you will be my chief advisor. Kshetravarma was a chief advisor. Chief advisor. Like that, Krishnadevaraya given an opportunity to Kshetravarma. Kshetravarma, what? I cannot understand how I am blessed. Your Majesty, how you blessed me like this? Really, I don't know. Like the Chaityavarma saying, Ramakrishna. Again here, Ramakrishna entered. This is the second time. Ramakrishna entered. What he was saying? Excuse me, Your Majesty, he is a talented in painting. Excuse me, actually Chaityavarma was a painter, but you appointed as a chief advisor. So what Ramakrishna saying? He was a talented in painting, but would it be a right decision to make him? Is it a good decision? Like that, Ramakrishna given the wrong question to the Krishna Devaraya. Is it a good one? Your decision is the right one. Like that, Chaityavarma and Ramakrishna asking Krishna Devaraya. Krishna Devaraya, the emperor of Vijayanagara, knows what is right. Krishna Devaraya given the answer to Ramakrishna. I know what I do, what I not do, I know. Then minister, he was asking the minister, please make an announcement that Chaityavarma will be the chief advisor hereafter in our court. Krishna Devaraya asking minister, you go and give an announcement that Chaityavarma was an advisor of me hereafter in my court. Like that, you go and give an announcement. So he went and gave an announcement to all the people. But Chaityavarma's plans and actions led to confusion everywhere. Lead is the present tense. Led is the past tense. So whatever Chaityavarma's taking any plans or action, all feeling in the confusion, he himself also confusion, because Chaityavarma does not know what were the works of the court. So he was in the confusion. He had never handled the matters of court before. His decisions were irrelevant. His decisions are irrelevant. Irrelevant means not correct one. Irrelevant. Irrelevant. His decisions are irrelevant. His plans are irrelevant. Not correct one, because he does not know. Then, when all the people are listening and working as the advice of the chief advisor, people also got in the confusion. They lose their patience. They lose their patient. Then patient. Other form, patience. Patient. Opposite to impatient. They lose their patience. They don't have any hope. They are losing their faith. They are losing their hope. They were impatient. They were not listening what Chaityavarma is saying. But they decided to meet Tenali Ramakrishna. They know Tenali Ramakrishna only solve our problem. So then and there, what they were doing, then decided to seek help from the Tenali. Just Tenali Ramakrishna in this matter. Tenali Ramakrishna told them that he had an idea and assured them not to worry. He was giving the promise to people. I got an idea. I was giving the promise to you. I will solve the problem, like that. Tenali Ramakrishna giving the promise to the people. Then they felt so happy. Then Ramakrishna, Your Majesty, you know that I have been blessed with a baby boy. I will be happy if you visit my house for my boy's naming ceremony tomorrow. How nicely, how cleverly he was inviting the Krishna Devaraya. Sir, Your Majesty, tomorrow morning in my house there was a function, that is the naming. I have a baby boy. Please come and visit my house. Like that, he was calling, he was visiting, he was inviting the Krishna Devaraya. Then Krishna Devaraya, Dirghashman Bhava. This is a token of my love. The emperor puts a gold chain around the baby's neck. So he went and visited the baby and he given a gift, a chain. He put a chain around the neck of the baby boy. Then all people felt happy. Then Ramakrishna also felt happy, but he was very clever. No, how he was showing his cleverness to the people. Ramakrishna, thank you very much, Your Majesty. You are requested to join us for lunch. Again, Ramakrishna asking, please you come and visit. You come and join our lunch. Then all went. Krishnadevaraya, after having tasted, so all sat like that. They were taking their food. That day, Krishnadevaraya, after taking a little bit of food, he was asking, water, water, water. When the food was very spicy one, very hot one, we will be taking the water. Like that, Krishnadevaraya also asking, water, water, give me water, urgent. That means that food was not the delicious one. That food was very hot one. That's what he was asking, water, water, water. Courtier, oh God, water. They are also asking water, water. Then Krishnadevaraya, hi, Ramakrishna, what is this? Horrible dishes. There's no the delicious dishes. Horrible dishes. Why? Because they asked the water, water, water. Because it was so hot. That's what they were. Ramakrishna saying, Krishnadevaraya saying, what the horrible dishes. Then courtier 1 is too spicy. Courtier 2 too salty. And courtier 3 not cooked properly. They didn't cook properly. Like that, they blame the food. They blame the food. Then Krishnadevaraya angrily, he got angry. Why? Because he invited and he given not the delicious food. He given the very horrible dish. That's what Krishnadevaraya got angry. Who cooked this? See here. Who cooked this? Is this the way to cook food? Like that Krishnadevaraya asking. Why? Because he was an emperor, Mama. He got angry. He was saying like, who cooked this food? Then what the Ramakrishna saying? Courtiers, do you want all of us to die? Then Ramakrishna, with folded hand, he kept like this, folded hand. Please, forgive me, sir. Let me introduce the cook to you. Wait, who cooked the food? You ask me, no? I will introduce. I will call. Then Tenali was calling, who cooked the food? Krishnadevaraya. Bring him at once, or you will be punished. Ramakrishna. Presenting a carpenter. This is the best carpenter in Vijayanagar. He is a brilliant worker. I gave him the task of cooking for today. Task means work. Task means work. So, Tenali called the painter. He was introducing to Krishnadevaraya. Why he made this drama mean? He given the reward as a chief advisor to Chaitra Varma, no? He was a painter. Is it possible? He asked a question. Now, with the funny way only, he called Krishnadevaraya for lunch and he given this drama. He made a drama. He is a painter. He is a painter. How he will be cooking? Then, Krishnadevaraya, are you crazy? Ramakrishna, are you crazy? Ramakrishna, are you playing a game on me only, Ramakrishna? He may be an excellent carpenter. How can be a cook? Krishnadevaraya said, maybe he was a painter. How can he will be a cook? Like that, Sri Krishnadevaraya asked Ramakrishna, yes, pardon me. Please excuse me. Your Majesty, if a painter can be your chief advisor, say, how nicely. Krishnadevaraya given an opportunity to be as a chief advisor to Krishnadevaraya. But he is a painter. He got that point, he got an idea. Purposely, he invited Sri Krishnadevaraya his home and made a drama. He himself given the opportunity to the painter to cook. But he was a painter. Then, now the same question he was saying, yes sir, he was a painter. He was a talented painter. But how you given Chaitra Varma to be as a chief advisor? What do you know? Like that, Krishna, Tenali Raman only with the cleverness, he given the answer to Krishna Devaraya. Ramakrishna, pardon me. Your Majesty, if a painter can be your chief advisor, why can a painter not be a cook? Krishna Devaraya kept quiet. Okay? Then Krishna Devaraya lost in thoughts. He lost the everything. He lost in thought. Shaking his head like this, Ramakrishna, you opened my eyes. See here, how cleverly Tenali Raman taught a lesson to Krishna Devara. That is the clever. Not by hearting is not the cleverness. So, how cleverly. No? So, yes, Krishna Devaraya saying, oh, Ramakrishna, you opened my eyes. You made me realize my mistake. Really, you made me to find my mistake. Really, you are a very clever one. Chaityavarma, I was afraid to say no. Your Majesty, I am very thankful to you. If I am sent back to my previous job, what was the previous job? Painter. If you send me back, really, I am very thankful to you. My previous job. I want to do my previous job, not as a chief advisor. Like that, Chaityavarma also saying to Krishna Devaraya. Krishna Devaraya, minister, make necessary arrangement to send him back. So, he given the permission to go back. Then Ramakrishna, thank you very much, Your Majesty. All the people who were assembled there, they all hailed. Hailed means greeted Ramakrishna for his cleverness. So, hailed means greeted. They all greeted Tenali Ramakrishna. So, how cleverly he solved the problem. Okay, ma? That is the cleverness, but not by hearting. No, oh, I am a clever, not saying like that. So, when you do your work with the concentration, you will be get the knowledge and wisdom and clever everything. You are also an intelligent one. Intelligent one means you have to do your work in proper manner. Have you understood, ma? So this is our new textbook. Everyone should buy. Everyone's hand. I wanted to see the new textbook. Okay? How is it, ma? Have you understood? Okay? So what you will do now? What are the hard words and meanings? Write in your classwork neatly. Hard words, first you write the heading, then you write the meanings, then hard words. Which are the difficult to you, you write directly in the classwork. Okay, ma? Bye.